Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the headset model and whether it uses a USB dongle, Bluetooth, or 3.5mm. Once done, power on the Xbox Series X and sign in so the console can pair. Make sure the headset has at least 50% charge or plug it into USB to avoid interruptions. Next, locate the Razer dongle or cable and a free USB port on the console. This first connection is required, so the Xbox recognizes the device and loads any firmware. Now you'll pair or plug in depending on your model. If you have a Razer USB dongle, insert it into a rear USB port for stability. Press the dongle's pairing button and the headsets until lights flash. If you're using a wired connection, plug the 3.5mm or USB-C cable into the Xbox controller or console directly so audio routes correctly. For Bluetooth Razer headsets, make sure you use Razer's proprietary adapter, because Xbox does not support generic Bluetooth audio natively. Finally, configure audio inside Xbox settings under General, then Volume and Audio Output. Select headset format and set chat versus game balance so you hear both clearly. Make sure mic monitoring and volumes are adjusted to avoid clipping or silence. If audio fails, power cycle the console and headset, try another USB port, or update Razer firmware via a PC app. These steps resolve most detection issues. If the mic is still quiet, check controller firmware and ensure the headset is fully seated and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.